Hey guys, it's Lane Morgan here, and I'm about to show you a slip and slide, but one of the baddest built dump trailers you will find. Guys, this thing is ready to haul some weight. First off, this is 7-gauge steel. Most dump trailers that you see around anywhere are made out of 10-gauge steel. Not this one. This is 7-gauge. You can throw chunks of concrete, boulders in this thing, and it won't flex the floor. If you'll notice, we've got barn doors that swing open on the back that latch open so you can dump your load real easy. I'm gonna come around the front and show you, or we'll start in the back. Right here, we've got 20K axles up under this thing. You can haul right at 7 tons in here. 13,000 pounds, guys, is the payload. Right here, you've got a 12-inch I-beam frame, guys. It is built to haul some weight. This thing right here will perform. We've got dual hydraulic jacks on the front. Let me show you how those work. Everybody's seen the other jacks that you have to let up and down with your hands. These right here. When this trailer got delivered yesterday, we literally unhooked and had it out from under the truck in about 7 seconds. You will not do that if you do not have these hydraulic jacks on this Gooseneck dump trailer. So you already know that it's rated to haul 13,000 pounds worth of payload. Got 20K axles, 12-inch I-beam mainframe. Now check out the paint combo. We've got it dove gray on the bottom, and then we've got this blue, and I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it sparkles. This is the exclusive paint that we have here at Renown Cargo Trailers. I call it Pepsi Blue with some sparkles in it, but it shines when the sun hits it and sparkles. It's got glitter in it or something. Right here, it's a gooseneck hookup. Makes you helps you be able to maneuver the trailer a whole lot better in tighter places than a bumper pull. We've got your 12-volt battery with your charger right here. So your battery will always stay charged. When you hook up your 7-way plug right here, Jake, you can show them their 7-way. That's going to trickle charge your battery as well. But you've got 2 ways to charge your battery. You can plug in right there with just a regular extension cord and charge your battery that way, or pulling it down the road. Because you don't want to get stuck at the dump site, guys, and not be able to get your load to dump. But a cool thing about this one is you can operate the jacks and the bed off of the same remote control. So I'm gonna let the bed up. See right here, you just hit box up. So it's a little overkill for this trailer. You're never gonna have a load that you can't dump. I love the toolbox in the front, keeps everything stored. You've got your hydraulic pump in there, your 12-volt battery, and that's where you put your hydraulic fluid right there as well. Another cool thing about this trailer, it's got a magnet. You can put the control on there. It's got a magnetic back. Let me lower the box first. Look how quick that comes down, guys. Time is money. And money is time. But a 3-phase telescopic lift. And it drops down by gravity. So even if your battery did go out on you, you could always let your box back down. But the cool thing about it is, like last night, I didn't want to pull it inside the gate, but I didn't want nobody to steal it either. So I simply dropped the jacks down, just like that. I dropped them to the ground. I took the remote control home with me, and guess what? There is no way anybody can steal this trailer now. You don't even have to lock it up. Do you think there's a truck gonna be able to back up under here and hook the gooseneck up? There's no way possible for anybody to steal this trailer. That's what I love about it. That's one thing that you can get with your hydraulic jacks. All right, guys, but again, just some things to really point out. 7-gauge steel box. You got dual 20K axles. You've got a payload of, like I said, right at 7 tons, 13,000 pounds payload, and it'll probably actually do a little more. Right here, you've got your ramps that slide out. Simply pull these out, just like that, so you can load your load. Got LED lights all the way around it. And then we've got these jacks right here for extra support. So when you're loading your skid steer, I recommend letting these jacks down. But guys, if you're looking for a well-built dump trailer, this is it. We've got D-rings in it as well, so you can tie down your equipment. This right here is an 8x18. Again, I love the colors on it. It also comes with a ladder right here so you can actually look at your load. We've got pockets going down all the way the side, down the top rail. We've got a tarp that you can cover your load with. If you're interested in this trailer, we are letting this one go for $24,875, guys. $24,875. You can pull away with this thing. We are located in Douglas, Georgia. Again, my name is Lane Morgan, owner of Renown Cargo Trailers, and I've got 13 amazing sales reps that can answer any questions you may have. We can give you all the specs on it. We can send you over a quote. We've also got bumper pull dump trailers as well. We'll show you some of them in another video. But guys, thanks for watching all our videos. Again, if you're looking for a dump trailer, a gooseneck dump trailer, this is an 8x18. It's got 20K axles up under it. It will definitely haul whatever you need to put in it. Guys, give us a call, 888-287-3954. You can find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. We can't wait to earn your business next. We look forward to seeing y'all soon. Until then, guys, y'all know the rest. Be blessed.